This is a Herman Miller classic Aeron chair, manufactured in 1999. Pretty sturdy chair, I must say. However, after 20 years of use, the inevitable just happened. Got a big tear, the back mesh, and even a bigger one, more embarrassing tear at the bottom mesh. So how do we fix this? So I searched online, watched all kinds of videos, and there wasn't a specific one mentioning or explaining in detail how to fix this. Well, I decided as a temporary measure, I'm gonna sew in a piece of cloth through the back and the front to put some tension on the torn mesh area so that I could at least use the chair for a few more days as I thought to do about it. So these have been in place for about 3 weeks now. Not the best feeling so far, but it works. After much deliberation, I decided it was best for me to give the chair a new lease of life with new panels. I got the back still new, and the seat pan, which is also new. So I will go ahead and fix these new panels into the old frame and probably extend its life by another 20 years or so. So what kind of tools do we need when fixing this? Actually, it's pretty easy. On the contrary, I'm not going to use any power tools when fixing my chair. All I'm going to use is my 5mm hex bit, or a link if you like, the 4mm, and the 6mm hex bit. A pair of pliers, very handy, and this piece of metal tube. It's quite important when opening the seat pan. Firstly, using your 5mm hex bit, remove the back panel by opening these 4 bolts. Then slide it up to remove it. When opening the seat passport, you must be quite careful because you only want to remove the bolt but not the housing here. So the first thing you need to do is tighten this really hard. Okay? So once it's quite tight, you just need to place your metal tube on the Allen-key's handle, then yank it downwards to release this, and then after that it's gonna come in easy. Okay? I'm gonna do the same thing for this other side. Just make sure it's fully tight to the end, so it's really tight. Then yank it downwards to remove this. Using a pair of pliers in the 4mm hex bit, remove the 2 bolts that hold the bearings on the seat pan. So use one as a lever and then anti-clockwise release the 2 knots. Same thing for this other side. Okay. Now just slowly lift the seat pan out of place. Alright, so I've got my new seat pan, which I will install into the old frame and give it a new lease on life. Remember that the frame is supposed to last for quite a long time. However, the mesh may come out loose or torn during usage, which is normal. So when installing my seat pan, I will need to use a torque wrench. Herman Miller recommends that you do use a torque wrench when tightening the nuts and the bolts to a recommended torque. Be sure to check out your chair's handbook for the right amount of torque for each nut and bolt. I have the seat pan now installed. The bolt right here is closed. So is the other one, and the 2 D-links are now connected to the seat. So we will now go ahead and install the back pan. And there you are. Fantastic. The chair looks great. Feels great. And now, I look forward to 20 years of service at the new palace and one give me. Thank you guys for watching this.